Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring you have a safe copy. Make one now so changes are reversible. Select the entire range including headers. Converting to a table immediately makes structured references and filters easier. Once done, remove any blank rows and normalize formats, text versus numbers, so Excel compares like with like. Make sure column headers are clear and unique. This prevents accidental matches. Now you're ready to run the first duplicate checks using built-in tools. You'll add a helper column with COUNTIF or COUNTIFs formulas to quantify duplicates. For example, COUNTIF A2 returns how many times the value appears. Once the formula is filled down, apply conditional formatting to the same column or target columns to color code duplicates so they jump out visually. Then sort or filter by the helper column to group duplicates together. This helps you inspect context before removing. Make sure to check composite keys with concatenation if single columns aren't unique. You'll decide whether to delete, merge, or mark duplicate rows based on business rules. Keep one canonical record and preserve critical differences. If deleting, use Excel's remove duplicates on the selected key columns only, but only after backing up and confirming helper counts. Once deduplication runs, validate by using pivot tables or rerunning COUNTIF on key fields to ensure no unwanted losses. Troubleshooting tip: if results look wrong, revert to your backup and check formatting mismatches and hidden characters, which often cause false non-duplicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.